Good evening, Fatima. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Uh, what do you have as your subjects? Bio, maths, or both?
Biomath.
Biomath. Fine, that's okay. Fine. So we are studying solutions today. Okay. Do we have any more to join? I guess. Wait a second. Participants. Fatima, Maryam, Sonia. I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Okay. So last lecture, what did we learn? We learned about the concentration terms, right? The concentration terms, and we
Yes.
were doing things based on concentration terms. Okay. Now, to just recap a bit for Fatima and others also. Okay.
Sir, it's
Now,
fine. I saw the video.
so you saw the video. Okay, fine. But still, let me just check the students. Ahmed, you will tell me about mass percentage.
Yes, sir.
Mass
Mass per
percentage.
we divide the mass of the solute by the mass of the solvent and no solution.
Yes, mass of the solution. Yes, mass of a component. Mass of
Mass component
a
divided
component. That means it can be either solute or solvent.
yes
Component divided by mass of
mass of the solution.
solution in heated. Correct. Now then volume percentage, that will be equal to volume of a component. Amalia, can you help me here?
Yes, sir.
Volume of a component divided by
Um, Total volume of solution.
volume of solution. Correct. Into
100.
100. Then the next one that we had was
Mass by volume.
mass by volume. Mass by volume. So this is mass of a component divided by volume of
Volume of
solution
into
into 100. Okay, next one. What was next? Sania, yes.
Parts per million ppm.
Yes, parts per million ppm, which is equal to
Number of parts of the component
number of parts of a
divided
component. Number of parts of a component. Okay, component
divided by
by
total number of
number
parts of all component of the solution.
total number of parts of total number of parts of
The
components
component of the
in
solution
solution
into 10
into
raised to 10 raised to 6.
10 raised to 6. Okay. Now then we are left with the ones which deal with number of moles. Yes, Mariam. Mole fraction.
Yes, sir.
Mole
Number
fraction.
of moles of solute
Number of moles
divided.
of divided by.
Uh,
If I should
something
write a
in
generalized,
liters.
I can write it like this: sum of moles, and this is one component I. This is n is equal to from 1 to I. Correct? I can write it like this. I mean,
Yes,
if I
sir.
want to find the mole fraction of a component that is I, and in total we have, for example, j components, then chi I is equal to ni number of moles of I divided by the sum of total number of moles. Correct? So I can, in terms of words, I can write it like this: ni number of moles of I divided by sum of total number of moles of all component. Correct? Okay. Now the next one is molarity. Yes, Fatima. Molarity is equal to
Number of moles of a solute
number of
divided
moles
by
divided by
mass of the solvent in liter.
mass of the solvent in liter. कैसे? It would be volume of the solution in liters. Okay, here A is equal to solvent, B is equal to solute, and volume of solution S is equal to solution. Okay, so molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solutions in liter, and molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg.
Kilogram.
In kgs, yes. Okay. So the question that I was going to give you in the last lecture, like it was half written in my screen. The question was calculate molarity. Secondly, molality. And third is mole fraction of 20% by mass Ki solution, mass of, like off first, mass of Ki solution with density 1.202 gram per milliliter. Okay, per milliliter. Okay. Since here you have to find molarity both, and then the mole fractions. And see, for molarity, how you have to deal with this solution. What is molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume in liter of solution. Okay, so in the question directly it has not been given either the number of moles of solute, neither the volume of solution. So what you will do next, you will write what is number of moles. Number of moles of solute is equal to the mass, that is W of B, that is mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Okay, so mass of solute I can find if I take the Ki solution with 100 grams. If I take 100 grams, then the mass will be 20 gram. And okay, now Ki, molar mass of Ki, for sodium it is iodine, it is almost 127. For sodium it is around, I guess, 40. I'm right, around 40 grams per mole. This is also grams per mole. Okay, so now you know the molar mass and you know the mass of solute by this particular information, 20% by mass of Ks. Okay. The next is volume. Next thing is volume. So how will you write volume? Volume of solution is equal to what? We have this particular relationship between density and volume density. Mass of solution on volume of solution. Correct. So volume will be equal to what? Volume of solution is equal to mass of solution upon density. So volume of solution will be equal to mass upon density. And we have the density part here, right? We have the density part here. Now, mass upon solutions mass. So I can check that solution by adding the, I have what is of solution, 100 gram, in which 20 gram is Ki, And next one is molality. Molality you will find by number of moles upon weight in kg. Okay, try this. Okay, let me know if you're stuck somewhere. Write down the question first.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, for finding volume, the mass is 20, right?
Volume of what?
Volume of the solute.
Volume of, we need the solution. We want the volume of solution now.
So it's 100.
It's 100. We have taken 100 grams now. We have taken 100 gram of Ki.
Okay.
Because you can take any gram of Ki. Just you have to remember that you have to in accordance to the number of grams of Ki that you have taken. I'm not sure what. Okay, I will answer you, Ahmed. If you take 1000 grams, that means you have to convert this 20 into 200 also. Okay, so it's good if you take 100 grams because the concentration will not change by any amount that you take. But it is generally easy for calculation if you take 100 gram of Ki. I'm not sure about how to approach the question. Okay, fine. I've just written here everything. You can calculate at least molarity here. Everyone has written the question down?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Then let me show you. If I have mass percentage, then I can say that I have the information about. I will take 100 gram. Take 100 gram solution. Okay. Take 100 gram solution.
Sir,
Then
your
I can
voice
have
is
mass of.
cracking.
My voice is cracking for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, wait a second. Let me turn my fan off. Then let's. Any better?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I guess that was due to fan. Achha. So if you have mass percentage, then it's fine, right? I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if I have mass percentage as concentration term, then I take 100 gram of solution. I will know mass of solute as well as mass of solution. Correct? For example, if I have 10% by mass of ethanol, ETOH, that means I have 10 gram of ETOH plus 90 gram of solvent. Whether it is ammonical solvent, then ammonia, or if it is aqueous, then it is water. 90 gram of solvent. Okay. I've written here solution mass. We already know we have taken 100 gram mass of solvent. Okay. For mass of solute, I can find if I have the molar mass of solute. If I have the molar mass of solute, I can find the number of moles. Now, if I have the mass of solvent and I know the density, if I know the density, then I will know what? I will know the volume, because mass and density can be related and can be divided as solvent, volume of solvent. And if I have mass of the solvent, then I can easily convert it into kg. And if I convert it into kg, then I will have in kg. And if I add these two, divide these two, if I use these two, I will get molality. Okay. Now, for example, if you have density of, take 100 gram of solution, 100 gram of solution, then you have density of solution, then you will get what? Volume of solution. And from this volume of solution and the number of moles, you will get what? Molarity. So this is the thing that you have to use first in molarity calculation. You find the mass of solute by taking 100 gram. Then you divide that mass of solute by molar mass. You will get number of moles. Okay. Then you have 100 gram of solution. Then what do? 100 gram divided by the density of solution. You will get the volume of solution. Convert this into liters and then divide number of moles upon volume. I'm gonna try it with your pen and paper. Then you will understand something. Okay. Don't try to do it in your head.
Question before in boards.
Okay. Sorry.
The 100 marks will this question be for in boards?
This question is from NCERT.
Yeah, for how much marks will it be for in boards?
How much marks? I mean, 2-3 marks. Because there are three things. Huh? You have to calculate 3 things. So maybe it can be in 3 marks. It is not for. I mean, just calculate these two. Follow the sequence. Others, did you calculate?
Sir, I got molar mass is 8.35.
Molar mass. Molar mass of Ki.
Yeah.
Oh, how?
No, I mean after dividing.
You got the number
I mean
of
number
moles.
of moles, yeah.
Number of moles. You got how much?
8.35.
Okay, how many? What is the mass of Ki that you have taken?
167. 20 by 167.
So, okay, check your calculation. 20 divided by 167. Will it be a decimal number, or I mean, will it be greater than 1 or less than 1?
1 second.
If you have, which is greater, numerator or the denominator?
Denominator is greater.
So, what do you think? This will be greater than 1 or less than 1?
Sir, 1 second.
It says 0.1 moles.
Yes, correct, Ahmed.
Sir, it's 0.11.
Yes. How are you getting? 8 point something? 0.11, correct? 0.11 mole.
Sir, I got 0.12.
0.12.
12.
So after 1 you had what? After 1 1,
And
what do you have
9.
after 2? Then it will be 0.12. That's correct, Sanya. 0.12.
So what's the volume?
What is the volume? You tell me. I have to divide it now. Volume is
Is
equal.
it 83 point?
First of all, tell me what is the mass that you have taken of solution?
Mass is 100.
100 grams. What is the density that you have taken? That is 1.202
202.
gram per. Okay. Now divide this. What is the answer that you get? What was the answer?
I got 83.12.
83 point.
1 into
83.019. Yes, that is correct. ml. Keep that in mind that this is ml. Okay.
into 10 raised to
83.
minus 3.
I wasn't audible. That wasn't audible. I guess Sanya was speaking. No one. Okay, no.
So we can take
So you have both
200
the terms, huh? You can
Sir.
take 200 what?
grams.
200
Since
gram
it
of
is
solution?
20. No, weight, mass. 20% by mass.
So
Can we take 200 grams?
of Ki?
I'm asking.
Of Ki, no? Solution?
Yeah.
You can take any number of grams, but the calculation won't be easy, because if you take 200 gram of Ki, 200 gram of Ki solution, 200 gram of Ki solution, that means what? It means that how many grams of Ki? What is the solute? How much will be the solute? 20% of 200. That would be 40 grams.
40 grams.
Right? So the calculation will
Yes.
become a bit messy. So it's better that to take 100 grams. So anyone with the answer? Molarity?
(0.12 divided by 83.12).
Come on, divide it first now.
Mm, 0.001.
0.001.
4 is also there.
4 is also there. Okay. So you took, I guess, 83 milliliter, right? You
I
didn't
took
convert that to
83.12.
milliliter. So why you took
Yeah.
milliliter? You take liters now.
Okay. Into 10 raised to minus 3.
Just write 0.083. You can do that also.
So 1.14.
1.14
or 11.4.
0.12 divided by 0.083. No, not right.
So can you solve only the final answer?
Final answer. Okay. This is how much? 0.12. One thing that I did it to make it easy, but I guess it will be easier if I take the exact molar mass of potassium, which is 1 less than 40. It is around 39.098. So if I take, for example, 39, let me see. I guess that would be easier, because this will be equal to 166, and then I can cut 0.83, 0.83. Okay. Wait a second. 0.12. Not
divided by.
Wait a second. We have what? Molarity is equal to 20 grams, and I have to divide 20 grams divided by how much? I have to divide this by 166 gram per ml. No, I guess no use of that, into 0.83. 0.83 liters. 0.83 liters. This gram and gram will convert. Okay, fine. So if I have 20 divided by 166 into 0.83. Sorry, not 0.83. This is 0.083, no?
Yes, sir.
No, 0.083. So this will be how much? 20. This was 0.12.
Sir, it's 0.831, I guess.
31. What is after 1?
2.
After 1 is 2. Okay, fine. So then I can take 0.83. I told you 2 decimal, 2 non-zero after decimal. Correct.
Okay, sir.
So this will be 1, 2. I will multiply this by 1000, this also by 1000. Okay. Now what will I get here? I will get 0, 1, 2, 0, 0. And here what I will be getting? 83.
It-
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can divide this. Should I divide it also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mariam, you can divide this now.
Yes, sir.
I think it is 83 ones up. Then
14.4.
14.4.
So it's 12. Okay. 0.14.
0.14 or 1.4.
Sir, 12 divided by 83, right?
12 not, it is 1200. It's 1200.
12
Sir, if it's
divided by
1200, then it's
it will be
14.4.
14.
14.4.
14.4. Did I mess this up somewhere? Okay, fine. Sorry. This would be 120, not 1200. 120. It will be 14. 1.4.
It will be
1.4
1.4.
mole per liter. 1.4 mole per liter.
Sir, where was the mistake?
I'm letting him go, okay?
This was a mistake. I have to write 120.0, not 1200.
Okay.
12300. Next is. Acha, can I have Mariam?
Yes, sir.
We want to find the molality.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now molality is equal to what? Molality is equal to?
Yeah, it's sir, 1 second.
Number of moles per volume.
No. Let Mariam.
Molarity, okay, sir. Number
Molality.
of moles by mass of solvent in kg.
Okay, remember that, Mariam. Okay. Yes, Ahmed. You said number of moles, and now the number of moles of Ki. You want Ki number of
Sorry,
moles
sir.
of Ki.
Yes, sir.
It's fine.
My house is too noisy now.
Acha, okay, fine. I will not ask you to unmute. Number of moles of Ki, then mass of K, that is solvent in kg. Okay. Now, what is the number of moles of Ki that we have?
83.19.
No. 0.12, na?
0.12 moles. Yes, sir.
0.12 moles. Okay. Now, how many grams did we take? How many 0.12 mole is present in how many grams?
In 100.
In 100 grams.
In
That means
20.
in 100 grams.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we
So it
have,
will be 900 gram of solvent.
no. This was 20% by mass, na?
Yes, sir.
So solute is equal to how much? Acha, let Amalia say. Solute is equal to how much? Mass of solute?
80.
Solute.
Oh,
That's 20. Right? By mass, if I say by mass, that means I'm talking about Ki, na? 20% by mass of Ki solution. That means Ki is the solute. The mass of solute is 20%. Mass of solvent, Fatima?
80.
80 grams. Correct? So what do I have to write here? Now, Sanya said, tell me, what should I write here? I want the mass of solvent in kg.
700.
Mass of solvent is how much?
80.
80, na? So I have to convert this into kg. So what would be that? 80 grams is equal to how many kgs?
1000.
No. 80 grams. And I have to convert it into what? Into kgs, into kilograms. Okay. This is
0.008.
that is right. So okay, fine. Sanya, can I have you please? I can say 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanya? Okay.
Yeah.
Now 1 gram is equal to how many kgs? So I have to do what? 1 upon
1000. 80 by 1000.
right? Now if I have 80 grams, then I have to do what? 80 upon 1000.
1000.
Okay.
Okay.
So this will be how much?
0.08
0.08 kgs.
kg.
Correct?
Yes.
So I will write here 0.08 kg. Now calculate this.
1.5.
1.5.
Yes, sir.
1.5. Now I'm writing in small m. This means molal. This means molal, which means what? It means mole kg inverse. Mole kg inverse. Okay. Okay, fine. Now next is mole fraction. Next is mole fraction of Ki. Okay. Can I move or are you writing this down now?
The previous page.
Previous page also?
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir. Sir, finish.
Done. Mariam, done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
we got an answer 83.2. What is that? The molar mass?
Now I guess I will have to write it again. What did just happen now? Okay, fine. You're doing what? Yes, Amalya, what was your question?
Nothing, sir.
You got about 83.19, na? That 83.2?
Yeah, 83.2. I was
83.2.
asking. Yeah.
So in molarity, we want to find molarity. which is equal to what? Molarity is equal to, tell me, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution. And we have taken what? 100 gram of solution. Correct? Now, from the information that we have, we don't have the volume of solution. So we want to convert the mass of solution to volume of solution. So for that, we have density that is equal to what? Mass by volume. Mass by volume. And we have been given density is equal to 1.202 grams per ml, right? Now the mass we have taken as 100 grams and the volume that we want to find to calculate the molarity. So volume is equal to 100 grams upon 1.202 grams per ml. This grams and grams can be cancelled out and we will get how much? That we got as
83.19.
19. Yes. So that will be approximately 83.2 in ml. Okay. So that was only because we had to calculate the volume of solution. Okay. So will you be able to copy down the molality part?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Next one was mole fraction, na?
Yes, sir.
Mole fraction.
So
what is the
NA
formula?
over here?
Sorry, what is?
What is NA over here?
Where?
Say in mole fraction, Na equal to Na plus Nb.
Na is not equal to Na plus Nb. It is
Na
chi
divided
of
by Na plus Nb. Yeah, that one.
Na upon Na plus Nb, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is A? A we have taken always as what? Solvent. What is we have taken as B? B we have taken as
Solute.
solute. Correct. So that is it. And chi B will be equal to what is N? N denotes what? Number of
moles.
moles. Got it? Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So mole fraction. Now we have mole fraction of Ki. For mole fraction of Ki, yes. Amalia, you will tell me what will be the formula. Mole fraction of, sorry, I have to write chi of Ki. Mole fraction of Ki.
Number of moles of A.
Number of moles of
B.
whatever
Sorry.
is in the Ki. Number of moles of Ki.
So, Ki divided by volume of solution.
Mole fraction. Check
Wait,
that.
no. Right, mole fraction. I'm so sorry. Total number of moles.
Total number of moles, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That is
Total number of moles. That means moles of Ki. Moles of Ki plus moles of H2O, since we had aqueous solution of Ki, right? Aqueous solution of Ki, that means what? H2O is the solvent. Moles of Ki, that is solute, plus moles of solvent, that is H2O. So in here we know the mole of Ki. Fatima, what is the number of moles of Ki that we know? We have taken 100 grams now, 100 gram of solution. In that we found what is the number of moles of Ki? Yes, Fatima. Check your previous answers. No.
0.12.
Yes, I guess Sanya answered that. 0.12. Okay. Now, Fatima, you will let us know. Do we know the number of moles of H2O? Have we calculated that? Did we
It
calculate
is
number of moles of H2O?
18 gram. Yeah.
That is the molar mass. Did we?
Right.
We didn't calculate the number of moles of H2O, na? So in 100 gram of solution, we had 20 gram of Ki. I mean, this implied number of moles of Ki as how much? 0.12 mole. Okay. Now, what will be the number of grams? What will be the weight of H2O in the solution?
80 gram.
80 grams. 80 grams of H2O. That will imply, if I want to calculate number of moles of H2O, that means I have to take, first of all, tell me the given mass of H2Os. So the mass that we have is 80 grams upon the molar mass. What did you say? How much was the molar mass?
18. 18.
18 gram per mole. Okay, now gram and gram can cancel each other. The mole will get up, and what will be this much? What will be this amount?
0.44.
First of all, see, numerator is greater or denominator is greater? Which is greater?
0.4.
Oh, oh yes.
4.
4.444 you will be getting, right? 4.444. Now see one thing. If you have 4.444, then you will keep it 4.4444. But if you have some number, I mean not in this question, okay? Not in this question, not in this question, not in this question. Don't keep whatever number I'm writing. It is not related to this question, okay? Now if you have something like 4.7777, then you will write it 4.778. Okay, because if you have something greater than 5, then you will write it as rounded off towards the greater number, next number, the successive number. Okay, now since you have 4.44444 repeating, you have what less than 5, hence you will write 4.444 only. 4.44 mole. Okay, now we have both the terms, number of moles of Ki, number of moles of H2O. So I can easily now calculate number of the mole fraction of Ki will be equal to this number of moles of Ki upon number of moles of Ki plus number of moles of H2O. Now this is equal to 0.12. This is equal to 0.12 plus 4.44. Yes. Calculate this. Okay, Mariam, tell me one thing. This will be greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater. I mean less than, because down is lower. I mean greater, yeah.
Okay, fine. Ahmed, what do you think? Less than 0, greater than 0?
This one, it will be less than 0.
Okay,
No,
Fatima?
it will be greater than 0.
Okay, fine.
But
Fatima?
decimal point.
Less than 0.
Okay. Amalia?
Less than 0.
Sania?
Less than 0.
How can
Ahmed?
it be less than 0, sir?
Achha. Calculate
It
this now.
has some value, right? 0.026. So
Yes,
point
sir.
is there, but it is not less
Yes,
than
exactly.
0.
That is what Ahmed only got it right, because I was not asking less than 1. I was asking less than 0. It is not. It will not be less than 0 because it's not a negative number.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Fatima, Amalia. I know you all thought I was asking about less than 1, but I was asking about less than 0. Okay. But it will be less than 1 and greater than 0.
0.026.
Correct. 0.026. 0.026. Fine. Did you all copy this? Can we move on to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another question is, have you ever been to lab? I guess you haven't been to lab as of yet, no?
We have.
No, sir.
You have been?
Not in 11th or 12th.
We have in
No.
10th and 9th.
Achha, 9. So, but you must have not seen nitric acid solutions, and did you see all these
Yes,
acids?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Then the nitric acid, the concentrated nitric acid which is used in laboratory, it is 68%. Is 68% nitric acid by mass. Now remember, this is what? By mass. Again, you have to remember that particular table. I mean the flow chart that we are. If you have by mass, you can easily find both the molality very easily, and if you want to find the molarity, then you need to have the density. You need to have the density. Okay. So 68% nitric acid by mass the laboratory contains. Okay, 68% in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. Now, if you have nitric acid as a solute, then what is the solvent here? Here, water is the solvent because the total solution is aqueous. In aqueous solution, 68% nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution. Okay. Now you have been asked what will be its density. Oh, molarity. Now, if you have molarity and by mass, you need density. If the density of solution, is how much? It is 1.504 grams per ml. Okay. Now, Fatima, you will tell me what I have to find here in this question.
Molarity.
Okay, fine. What is the formula for molarity?
Number of moles of solute by
Number of solute. What is the solute here?
volume.
What is the solute here?
Nitric acid.
Nitric acid. What is the formula for nitric acid?
NO3.
HNO3.
HNO3.
Okay, HNO3 divided by, now divided by what?
Volume of solution in liter.
Solution in liter. Okay, now you will tell me in the question directly. Have you been given the number of moles of HNO3?
No, I guess.
No. Then you will do what? You will write again. What will be the formula of number of moles of HNO3?
Given mass by molar mass.
Okay, fine. Given mass by molar mass. Okay. Now, given mass you can take, if you take 100 gram of solution, then what will be the given mass? If I have for 100 gram of solution, mass of HNO3 is equal to, Sania?
One into 1 plus.
Sir, is it 68 gram?
Yeah, it is 68 grams because we have 68% nitric acid by mass and I'm having 100 gram of solution. That means 68 grams will be for nitric acid.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
And
Now the mass of
molar
HNO3 is equal to 68 grams. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the mass of 68 grams, then what is the molar mass?
70.
Nitric acid, you will calculate and you will calculate the number of moles. Okay. So we'll calculate the number of moles. Then again, now Amalya, you will tell me, do we have volume of solution given?
No, sir.
No, we don't have volume of solution. So I can find volume. What will be the formula for volume of solution? Volume of solution is equal to
Mass by density.
mass by density. Okay, what is the mass of solution that we have taken?
68.
Mass of solution that we have taken, that is the mass of HNO3, not solution. What is the mass of solution?
1.504.
We have taken, okay, fine. This 68 gram of HNO3, it is solute, right?
Yes, sir.
It is present in how much gram of solution?
32.
32
Ahmed,
is Ahmed, I haven't asked you. Wait a second, Ahmed. Amalia, it is present in how many grams of solution?
32.
Solution.
I mean, solution.
Solute plus solvent. I mean, it is written in the slide. If you check somewhere, it is written the number of grams of solution. No?
Yes, sir.
Mass of solution
is 100.
Okay, fine. I mean, you understand that or you saw that only?
No, I understood.
You understood now? Whenever you have by mass, by volume or something like that, you always just take it 100 grams and then you further go on with the calculation because the concentration will not change because what you are doing, you're going from one concentration to another concentration, right? So you're going from percentage by mass to molarity. So you can take any number of grams of solution, then do the calculation further. So mass of solution is how much? That is 100 gram. Density is given as how much?
1.504.
1.504 grams per ml. Okay. Now do the calculation.
So what is molar mass of HNO3?
Calculate this now.
I am getting 63.
62.
I got 63.
63 is right.
Yeah,
63 is,
63.
So it's correct?
yeah, 63 is correct.
Sir, 1.08 is number of moles.
1.08.
Yes, sir.
You are getting the same number, 1.08.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It must be right. 1.08. It's correct. It is just simple division. Move further on. The molarity. Then you have to find the volume, no? You have to find the volume, then you will find molarity.
66.49.
How much?
66.49.
66.49 milliliters, no? And you can take
Yes.
this as 66.5 ml, which will be equal to, now you please don't forget to convert this into liters, okay? You have to convert this into liters, now. So this will be how much? 0.0665 liters. 0.665 liters. Molarity will be equal to how much? Molarity will be equal to number of moles that you have got as 1.08. 0.08 mole divided by 0.60665 liters.
1.62.
Wait a second. Let others calculate.
So 1.534.
Okay, Fatma, it's fine. .08, which will be divided by 0.0665. How much did you get? Answer?
1.534.
1.62.
I guess you must reconsider. I mean, this is the thing. Now 1.08 divided by 0.0665.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I did not calculate 0.0.
16.24.
Correct, Sanya. You have molarity is equal to 1.08 divided by 0.0665 liters. That means I can do here how much? I have to do here, let us take 100 here and 100 here. Okay. This will be equal to 108 divided by 66.65. Okay, 6.65, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calculate this. This will be around 16. That is correct. Sanya has got 16 point.
24. 16.2.
Yes, Ahmed, you are saying something?
So it will be 66.5, right?
No,
16.24.
16.24. Okay, fine. I mean, it is around that number. Okay. Now I have written here capital M. This capital M means molar. Molar. This molar means 16.23 molar. That means what? It means moles per liter. Mole per liter. Okay. Fine. You all got the answer, right? I mean, Amalya,
Yes, sir.
you got the answer? Okay, fine. Now, next question. Let's move to next question. Now, these all are from your NCERT only, okay? Nothing.
Sir, I have a question.
Ask.
Sir, I don't know if it is true, but like I've heard that all the questions that come in board is from our textbook.
All questions come from?
Our textbook, NCERT.
All of the questions are from NCERT only. I mean, you have done 11th standard, no? So you know
Yes,
how
sir.
many questions are there in the end text after the whole chapter is over. There are around 30 to 40 questions in each chapter. Correct? And you have
Yes,
two books in that. So I mean, majority of the questions are from your NCERT only. Majority of the, I mean, it is as if like they have just taken up the question and put it there. Not even, they have not, sometimes the numbers are also not changed. So majority of the question, the NCERT has a variety of questions, and if you do that, then you will have a huge range of type of questions that you have done. Not in the sense of so many numbers of questions, but in the sense of types of questions that you have done. Okay. Let us look at the next question. Solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% of what will be the molality. This is again, okay, fine. I am hoping that you do this on your own. Okay. A solution of glucose in water is labeled 10% W by W. Now W by W is again what? Mass percentage. Okay. You have been given what would be the molarity. First of all, write molality because it is easy to find from mass percentage. Molality and mole fraction of each component. Okay. Okay. Of each component. Each component means you have to find both for glucose and water also. Okay. You have two components, that is solute and solvent. The solute is glucose and the solvent is water. So you have to find the molarity and mole fraction of all the components. Okay. Of each component. If the density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml, 1.2 gram per ml. Okay.
Yes.
Do one thing. Don't find. Wait a second. Just find the molality and mole fraction of each of the component and find molarity of solution. That means you have to find what is the molarity of glucose, molarity of solution. Molarity of solution.
Says C6H12O6 is the formula for glucose, right?
ये तो I mean bio students, bio. Sanya has bio, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for glucose?
C6 extra water.
C6H12O6. I'm not sure.
Okay, fine. I guess Fatima also has bio. Fatima, you're back, I guess.
So Mariam also has bio.
Mariam? Okay, fine. Yes, Mariam. What is the formula for glucose?
C6H12O6.
Yes, that is correct. C6H12O6. So first of all, you have to find the molar mass, na? Molar mass of glucose. Calculate this first. Molar mass of write your answer in chat, okay? If you get the molar mass of C6H12O6, write the answer in chat. Yes, correct, Ahmed. Now you can move on to find the molality. Okay, you can move on to find the molality. What do you have to do? You have the molar mass, then you take 100 gram of solution. Now, when you take 100 gram of solution, what happens? What is the number of
10 gram.
of
10
glucose?
gram glucose.
Correct. Mass of glucose is equal to 10 gram. Then you have to find the number of moles of glucose. Number of moles of glucose. Yes, Mariam, correct. Sania, why 20? Sania, why 20?
So we'll take 100.
Sorry, what did you say? Couldn't get that.
We will take 100,000 or 100.
100 gram of solution. You have to take 100 gram of solution. Now, what is the concentration given?
100 gram of
What is the
10
concentration?
10%.
So, how much gram of mass of glucose would be?
10 by 180.
No, mass of glucose will be 10 gram. Number of moles will be equal to 10 by 180.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fatima Firdaus, not Fatima Fida. Fatima Firdaus, you don't have class today. Okay, fine. She left. No, she's again here. It's not her class today. Number of moles. What did you get? Okay, Ahmed.
Sir, for glucose, I got 0.05.
Yeah, correct. I mean, write it in chat. Write it in chat.
Okay, sir.
Write it in chat. Mariam, please check your number of moles. It's not correct. Be 10 grams upon 180 gram per mole. Ahmed, two non-zero numbers, two non-zero point. Keep that in mind.
So can you say that again? Your voice cracked in between.
Okay, I'm telling you that you have to have two non-zero numbers after the decimal point.
So it will be 5.
0.5, 0.055.
Yes, sir.
Two non-zero
Yes.
after decimal point. So you got the answer also 0. Okay, fine, it's correct. Somewhat right, yes. And it will not be capital M, it will be small m because we are finding molality now. I guess you are finding molality. You have found the molality, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So small m. Yes.
Sir, I'm
Others,
not
what
getting
about
the
others?
final answer.
You're not getting the final answer. Did you get this answer? What is this one? I told you to recheck it.
0.05.
Yes, 0.055 moles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you will tell me, what do you have to find? Molality.
Volume.
Correct? Volume. We have to find molality now.
Oh, sorry. You have to find in kilograms.
Molality is equal to 0.055 divided by the mass of H2O will be equal to how much? 90 grams.
90 grams.
I can write 90 upon 1000. This will be kg. Now I can write 0.055 into 1000 divided by 90. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now move on. Amalya, Fatima, and Sania.
Yes, sir.
You all are on the right track.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Fatima? Where are you now? What are you calculating now? Yes, Fatima here. Ahmed, you can now calculate the mole fraction for glucose.
Sir, done.
Done. Mole fraction of glucose, how much is it?
So I just have to calculate. I'll say
Okay,
in a minute.
put that in chat. Okay, put that in chat.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Yes, Mariam, correct. Molality, correct. I'm waiting for Amalya, Fatima, and Sania. Sania, no. Sania and Fatima. Sania, yes, Sania.
Sorry, I took 0.05. I did not took 0.055.
Okay, fine, correct it, whatever it is. What about Amalya? That is not correct. Please recheck that answer. I have written the, like, you have to do just the division and multiplication. I've written what is molality equal to. Molality is equal to 0.055 into 1000.
Yes, sir. I got 0.55. I wrote.
Okay, and into 1000 upon 90. No.
6.1.
Who said that? Didn't get that. 6.1 is not 6.1, it is 0.61. So be equal
Yeah,
to
sir, I got
0.617 mole. This is mole. This is mole. Kg inverse. Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
I'm not hearing Fatima. Fatima, are you having any problem?
Sir, I said 6.1.
You were the 6.1. There is some calculation mistake, I guess. It would be 0.61.
Yeah.
Got that right?
I went wrong in that 0.055. I wrote 0.55. That's why.
Okay, fine. Understand. 0.55. Okay, then 0.0.
So now we will find the volume, right?
We want to find the volume, so but find the mole fraction first. Find the mole fraction, na? For mole fraction, what do you need? Mole fraction of Ki, not Ki. It is glucose. I am writing G. This will be equal to what? Yes, Sanya. Mole fraction of glucose. Tell me the formula. Mole fraction is equal to
C6H12O2.
Acha, tell me like this. Chi A is equal to. Tell me. Sanya only.
NA by NA plus NB.
Okay. Now, Fatima, you will tell me if I write chi of glucose, this will be equal to how much? Tell me. Fatima.
Number of moles of glucose
Number of moles of glucose divided by
number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Very right. Number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of H2O. Number of moles of H2O. Okay. So what do you have here, Amalia? We have number of moles of glucose. Do we have that? Have you calculated
Yes,
it? Okay, fine. So we have number. No, do we have number of moles of H2O?
no, sir.
So number of moles of H2O will be equal to how much?
90 divided by 18.
90 divided by 18. That is equal to
5.
Now see, 90 grams divided by 18 grams per mole. If you write it like this, then you will get 5 moles. Okay, and we want to find it in moles. So this will be equal to now Ahmed. Ahmed has already calculated. Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Number of moles of glucose. What was the number of moles of glucose that we calculated?
0.055.
0.055 moles.
Yes.
Divided by 0.055 plus how much?
5.
5 mole. Okay, so this mole and mole will cancel out each other, and the mole fraction does not have any unit. It is just a fraction. So this will be equal to how much?
You want the final answer?
Yeah, I want the final answer.
Zero point zero
0.011.
0.011.
0.011. Okay. 0.11. Okay, now let me ask. Whom should I ask now? Fatima, you tell me. Do you know about this relationship between the mole fraction for a binary solution? If we have chi A, mole fraction of A plus chi B, this is equal to how much?
1.
1. Now you will tell me what if you have number of moles of glucose as 0.011, then what will be the number of moles of H2O? Sorry, mole fraction of H2O. The mole fraction of glucose is 0.011. The mole fraction of H2O will be
Mole fraction of glucose minus 1, or no, 1 minus mole fraction of glucose.
yes. So this will be equal to how much? 0 point. Anyone? Okay, Sanya, tell me. Mole fraction of H2O.
Mole fraction of 5.
Mole fraction of H2O from here.
1 minus 0.055.
0.5.
1 minus 0 point.
Oh,
0, 1, 1
1
now.
minus 0.01. Yeah,
So I cannot hear anyone.
You cannot hear anyone?
you're deaf.
That's bad. I mean, I can hear everyone. I guess everyone can hear me also.
Yes, sir.
So this is okay, fine. Guess something is wrong with your internet connection, maybe, Ahmed. Okay. So what will be this? 1 minus 0.011. 1 minus 0.011. Anyone, please, fast.
9.9.
0.89.
0.89? Nope.
0.989.
0.989.
8.
Yes, correct. 89. Okay. Now, you all copied this. Now we have to move on to molarity. Okay. Ahmed, can you hear us now?
Yes, now I can.
Okay. Molarity. Your answer is, I guess, right, Ahmed. Molarity. Yes. Fatima, what will be the formula for molarity? I guess Fatima, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Number of moles
Number of
by
moles. Number of
volume of
moles of what?
solution is
Number of
equal
moles of
solute
glucose
glucose.
divided by
Volume of
volume of,
solution
yes, volume of solution in liters. Volume
liter.
of solution in liters. Okay. Now, do we have number of moles of glucose? Did we calculate that?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
how much?
0.055.
0.055.
0.55 moles. Okay. Now volume in liters of solution is, do we have this also? No,
No, we have to find.
we don't have that now. So what volume is equal to how much? Volume is equal to mass by
Density.
density. Okay. Now what is the mass that we have taken?
10.
10.
Mass of solution. Solution, volume of solution.
90.
That is
90.
90. Very good. 90.
90.
Solution.
1,000.
Isn't it?
100.
Wow. Tell me. Start with all the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 100.
100.
Yes, density.
1.2 milliliter.
1.2
2.
grams per ml, na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to how much?
83.3.
Yeah, even I could. But that is wrong,
Yeah.
I
Sir,
guess.
do we have to convert it to liters?
No, I mean this is ml, na? For
Alright.
now you don't have to. After you find the volume, then you have to when you want to plug it here, then you have to convert this into liters. So the molarity is equal to 0.055 mole divided by 83.33. This will be how much?
0.33 divided by 1,000.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you can do that also, no? You can do this 83.33 divided by 1,000, or I can multiply by 1,000 here. If it is divided by 1,000 here, so it will go there and multiply by 1,000. You know this now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now calculate.
0.66.
This will be how much? Did you multiply 1000? You
Yeah.
multiply. This
It
will
will
be how
become
much?
55 by 83.33.
It will become 55 by 83.33. Yes. And what did you get the answer?
0.66.
0.6602.
0.66.
Yes, sir.
Capital M.
Yes, sir. 0.660.
It's moles per liter.
So
What
we are
about
doing mole. Okay, yeah, correct.
it? Capital M, no? So capital M
So
means molar.
molality is small m.
Yes, lowercase m. It is lowercase m. Ahmed got the answer. Fatima got the answer. I guess Sania also. What about Amalia and Fatima?
Yes, sir, I got.
Fatima? Any difficulty till here, Fatima? No, yes, anything, please. Fatima, are you here? Am I audible? I'm audible to others now?
Yes, sir, you are. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir.
Maybe Fatima has some connection problem. If she comes online, then I will ask her if she get this or if she got this or not. Okay. Next question. Next question is you have to calculate the percentage composition by mass. Calculate percentage composition. Percentage composition by mass. Percentage composition by mass of solution. Which is obtained by mixing, which is obtained by mixing 300 gram of 25% and 400 grams of 40% solution by mass. Okay. Ahmed, can I have you please?
Yes, sir.
So in the question, what they have given, can you understand the question? Can you read it out for others, please? Calculate the percentage composition.
Calculate the percentage composition by mass of the solution, which is obtained by mixing 300 grams of 25 and 400 grams of 40% solution by mass.
Okay, that means you have got two solutions, right?
Yes.
You have got two solutions, and these two solutions, which is one is this has solute as 30% by mass, 30% W by W, and this has how much? This has 40%.
Yes, sir.
W by W. Okay. Now this is how much? This is given as 300 grams.
The first one is 25, right?
Sorry, this is 25. Yes, right. This is 25. This is given how much? 300 gram, and this has been given as how much grams? 400 gram.
400.
Okay. Now, if we mix them together, then we will get a new solution.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes,
now, what
sir.
will be the mass of this solution? Mass
700 gram.
700 grams.
700
Okay.
grams.
Now, but we don't know about the percentage composition, the percentage mass W by W.
No,
We cannot
sir.
say it will be 40 plus 25, right? We cannot say that because these two have different concentration. So can you calculate this? Can you calculate this? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay. Now, what is same? What doesn't change here? What doesn't change? I mean, the mass of what we can add easily. What we can add easily is the mass of solution. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We can also add one more thing. We can add the mass of solvent which is present in 300 gram. Mass of solute in 300 gram solution plus mass of solute in 400 grams. This will be equal to mass of solute in 700 grams solution. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, no. So tell me, what will be the mass of solute in 300 gram?
It will
It remains same.
Same क्या होता है? I'm asking the number. I'm asking a number.
700.
700 grams.
अच्छा ठीक है. Let us take this. If you have 25% mass by mass, okay, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
25% mass by mass. If I have 100 gram, then how much mass of solute is there?
75 grams.
20.
Arey, Raja.
25.
Ahmed, let Mariam ask. I know you know that. You know the answer. What will be the mass of solute, Mariam?
Oh, yeah, 75. Yeah.
Solute, solvent, and solute. These two are different things, no?
25, no?
Not
You're simply
75.
confusing me.
Okay, fine. See, if you have 100 grams, wait, in
Yeah.
25%, W by W, if 100 grams, then how much solute?
25 grams.
25 grams. Okay. Now, if we have 200 grams of 25% mass by mass, W by W, then how much
50.
solute?
50.
50 grams. Now, if we have 300 grams, then
75.
and now Ahmed was saying this 75. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Am I right, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
You were talking about 300 gram. Okay, now, so mass of 300 gram, I mean the mass of solute in 300 gram, this would be equal to how much? 75 grams. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
nobody will answer. Nobody will answer. Everyone will tell me in the chat. Okay, what will be the mass of solute in the 400 gram solution? Do the same exercise. Do this. I see how. Please don't. I mean, talk in air. I mean, like this only. I don't need any question marks. Do it like this properly. How I have written here. Write in your copy in 40% W by W. Right? You have 40% now that 400 gram solution for. So if 100 gram, then how much solute? Then 200. Then how much? Then 300. Then
So
how
we
much
have to
solute?
say for all.
What? Sorry?
So we have to say for all, or just 400 is
No,
enough?
just for 400. I mean, you have if you want to calculate for 400, you should know for 100 and others also. But if you can do it fast, then it's okay. You have to answer for 400, but
Yes, sir.
do it systematically. Okay. Please write the answer in chat. Okay. Do this in sequence. Yes. Right, Mariam. Now you understand why I don't ask you to write in chat like this only. The first answer. See your first answer. What was that? Oh, very good.
First answer.
The earlier answer for 400 grams. Sania, no.
Sorry. So,
It's not right. Yes. Amalia and Fatima. I guess Fatima is not here. Fatima, am I audible? At what time is Maghrib there?
It's over.
it's
So
over.
I'm asking at what time is Maghrib there? I'm not asking is it
nearly
over.
5:45.
Sorry?
Nearly 5:45.
5:45.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will have to do some changes in Ramadan, I guess. We'll see that later. Okay, I got only from Mariam. What about Ahmed? Did you answer?
I sent the answer already.
You sent the answer.
Maybe I sent to Learnivio again.
Learnivio, no?
Yes, I did.
Send me.
So done.
Correct. Sanya, you have just written one digit.
Sorry,
Send the
sir,
correct.
by mistake.
Okay. Okay, then also Amalia. I didn't get from Amalia. I didn't get from Amalia. Did I get from Amalia? This is very sensitive. The chat box is very sensitive too. Wait a second. Sanya, no, not right. No, from Amalia also I haven't got from Amalia. Okay. Fine. Sanya, can I have you please?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me if I have 40% W by W and I have 100 gram of that. 40% W by W, that is the concentration, and I have 100 gram of that solution. So what will be the mass of solute in 100
40
gram?
by 100.
If we have 40%, if I ask you, you got 40% marks, then 40% marks. So if the total marks was, if total was 100, how much marks did you get?
40%.
How much marks, not in terms of percentage.
100.
If the total marks was 100 and I told you you had 40%.
Yes.
Okay. So how much marks did you get?
100 minus 40. 40.
Are you getting confused or are you confused already?
Confused.
You are confused. Okay. Now, okay, fine. It is very simple. If you have, you got 40% marks, Anya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And total was
100.
400.
Yes.
400 marks. Okay. So how much marks did you obtain?
40.
Your percentage was 40. Total. Okay, fine. Can somebody pitch in?
20.
You are just now putting numbers now randomly.
Yes, sir.
So we can do it like this, right? 400 into 40 by 100.
Yeah, we can do that, but I mean, it is very intuitive if I say, Sanya,
40 into 4.
if I say 40 percentage, that means what? 40%, 40 per 100, correct? Sanya?
Yes, sir.
So if I have, that means what? 40 in 100, 40 in 100. So if I have 100 gram, that means I have how much? 40 gram of solute. If it is 40% W by W. If it is 10% W by W, I mean, we have done this earlier now. W by W, that means then mass of solute is how much grams?
400.
400.
Solution, mass of solution.
It is solute. Ahmed, can I have, wait a second. Sanya, can I have you please?
Yes, sir.
10% W by W. Then the mass of solute in 100 gram is equal to? Okay,
10.
fine. I am telling you now. Okay, I am telling you now. Just remember this. If you have 10% W by W, then the mass of solute in 100 gram is equal to 10 grams. Easy?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if I
Yes.
have 40 percentage W by W, then mass of solute in 100 gram is equal to how much?
40.
40. Okay. 40 grams.
Mm.
Correct? Okay. Now,
Yes.
one more thing. Okay, one more thing. 40 percentage W by W. 40 percentage W by W. And 100 gram has how much? 40 grams of solute.
Solute.
Okay. Here I am writing solution. That is the mass of solution. And here we are having mass of solute. Okay. Now, if I have, this is the concentration. If I get double of this 200 gram solution, what will be the mass of solute?
400.
This just, I mean, how? See, take this now. This is 100 gram. So how much solute do you have? 40 gram. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now take another one. Here also you have how much? 100 gram of solution. So what will be the solute? 40 gram.
40. Yeah, 40 gram.
You add these two, you will get a
80 gram.
solution. Now this will be having how much? The mass will be of mass of solution will be solution mass, solution. You add these two.
200.
200. Now what will be the mass of solute if we add these two?
80.
80. Got it now? Now,
Yes, sir.
now you tell me for 300 grams, what will be the mass of solute? I'm asking you, Sanya, for 300 grams, mass of solute.
Sir, wait a minute.
Wait a minute, okay. Amalia, you can also tell me. You have not given me the answer.
120.
That's right. Correct. Sanya,
Yes, sir.
did you get the answer for 300 grams?
Yes.
What will be the mass of tell me?
Yes, sir. 120.
120 grams. Okay, now you tell me for, wait a second, for 400 grams.
$125.
How did you do that? Tell me first.
Sir,
Don't don't turn your mic off. Wait a second. Yes, tell me how you are doing this.
sir, we will plus it.
Plus it, add it. Okay, fine. Add how much? Add what? Add how much?
40 plus 40.
40 plus 40. Wait a second. Not like that. Okay, again, see. Sanya, please don't turn your mic off, okay?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. You want to make how much? You want to make 400 grams, no? So you have to take, this is as 100 gram. This is 100 gram. This is 100 gram. This is also 100 gram. Okay. Now the solute is equal to how much? Solute will be how much? We have 40% W by W. So you tell me that mass of solute will be
40 plus 40.
40 na? in one box. Just tell me for one box. Okay, the mass of solute will be equal to 40 gram. Solution
40 gram.
is equal to these are all 100 gram block. Okay, this is also 100.
100.
This is also 100. This is also 100. Now, if this has 40 gram solute, this will be also having 40 grams. This
40
also will be
grams
having
solute.
40 grams, and this will be also having 40 grams. Okay. Now you add all of these. Okay. Now you will get a big.
It will be 200.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Now solute. How much? 40 plus
40 plus
plus
40.
40 plus. How many
40.
times? How many times?
4 times. 4 times.
Now solution. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. This will be equal to 400 grams. And this will be equal to how much?
160.
160. Can I move now? I mean, now do you understand? You don't have to add these all things, okay? What you have to see here, wait a second. What you have to see here, just see this. This is 100. correct?
Yes, sir.
The next thing that if you want to find for 200 grams, what did we do? We doubled it.
Double that.
Then what will be the mass of solute will be getting doubled.
Yes, sir.
Now from 100 to 300 grams, what did we do? Tripled it.
Yes, sir.
Now the mass of solute also got tripled.
160. Yeah.
120. Now then if we add 4 times the mass of 100 grams, then we will be having 4 into 40,
160.
correct? This is
Yes.
equal to 160 grams. Okay,
160.
fine. Now mass of 400 grams is equal to 160 grams. Now add these two. I mean, I hope you remember. You all remember the question that we were dealing with. Okay, this is equal to how much? Total mass of solute?
And 235.
235 grams.
Yes, sir.
235 grams. This is, let me just clear this now. Total mass of solute is equal to how much? 235 grams. Total mass of solution is equal to how much? Total mass of solution?
700 grams.
700.
Yes, very good. 700 grams. Now mass percentage after mixing. Like this is the for the final one, na? So mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Sorry, into 100. Now calculate this. Two 35 divided by calculate it.
700.
Calculate it and give the answer in chat. Correct, Ahmed. You didn't multiply 100, but multiply 100 also, no? You will get percentage. Chat. Don't publish your answers.
Okay, sir.
I get it. It's right. I get it that it is right.
So we have to write percentage symbol.
Yes. Yes, correct, Mariam. Yes, correct, Fatima. Sorry, Sania Fatima. I don't know if Fatima is not here, I guess. Fatima, am I audible? Yes, correct. Percentage of solute. What will be the, this is 33.7%. Okay, now what will be the mass percentage of solvent? In chat, please.
Percentage.
You can write either the answer, what will be the answer, or you can write I don't know, yes or. Okay, so my voice cracked in between.
No, sir, it was fine.
Yes, correct. Ahmed. It was fine. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, that's correct. I mean, for the answer that you have written, it is correct. But if you do that two non-zero numbers after decimal point, then you will be getting some different answer. If you have the mass of solute, mass percentage of solute as 33.57. According to your answer, this answer is also right. That's correct. That's correct. That is correct.
Yes.
Amalya, do you know how to do this mass percentage of solvent?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the answer? It's one liner. It's one liner.
Finding.
Okay. What about Sania?
They're doing.
Doing. You're doing all this.
Yes, sir.
No. Wait a second. What do you have in solution? Solution is equal to solvent
Solvent.
plus solute.
Solute.
Correct? Solvent plus solute.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That means solution is what? 100%. Right? I mean, any part of
Yes.
the, this is 100%. And what is solute? Solute, you have how much? Solute is equal to 33.57.
33.57.
So percentage of solvent is equal to 100
We
minus
will minus it.
33.57. That will be equal to how much? 66.43.
That will
66.43 percentage.
be
Okay. Amalya and Mariam. Acha, Mariam got it. Amalya also got it. Okay. Fine. Now, next question. I mean, I guess this will be the last question. Then I will give you some homework that you have to try. Okay.
Sir,
So
the assignment question, the first question, how did you know that you have to use the formula for parts per million?
I haven't seen. Wait a second. I haven't seen the assignment question. I haven't seen the assignment.
I'll just share, sir. Give me a sec. I'll just share the assignment with you.
Share, please share. Okay. The next question is, if you have density of lake water, you have been given density of a lake water. Density of lake water is equal to 1.25 grams
Check your
per
WhatsApp,
ml.
sir.
Yes, sir. I just received it. Yes, sir. Density of lake water is 1.25 gram per ml, and this contains 92 gram of Na plus ion, sodium plus ions. Okay, you have to calculate the molality of Na plus ion in the lake. Na plus ion in the lake. Okay, it's not a difficult question. The sodium plus ion, don't be afraid of sodium plus ion. It's very easy. You have been given, you have taken some amount of lake water, I mean in a cup, in a pot or anything, and you have measured that it contains 92 gram of sodium plus ions. Okay, and the density you have been given is 1.25 gram per ml. 1.25 gram per ml. First of all, you have to calculate molality. So write down the molality's formula. What is molality? Molality is equal to
molar mass.
Sorry.
Molar mass.
Number of moles of
solute.
Number of moles of sodium plus upon
divided by
Solvent.
weight of solvent in kilogram.
divided by weight of solvent. That is, and also this contains sodium Na2 plus ion. This has per kg of water. Okay, so this is per kg of water. That means we have A upon kg. Okay, so just you have to find the number of moles of sodium plus. Okay, just you have to find out the number of moles of sodium plus. Now, what is the molar mass of sodium? Last lecture we did that, I guess.
23.
Yes.
Sodium plus.
But it's ion, no?
No, so electron, we doesn't take the mass of electron, no?
Oh, okay.
23 only.
It lost one electron, right?
When we calculate the mass now, we don't take the mass of electron because the mass of electron is negligible. If we have 23, it means we have just taken the mass of protons. Okay, so first of all, calculate this number of moles of Na plus, then you will divide it by 1 kg, nothing else.
So 4.
This is 4 moles. Okay, this is 4 moles. That means you have done what? You have done this is 92 divided by 23. This is gram
23.
per mole. This is gram. Gram and gram cancels each other. This will be 4 mole. Okay. Now this 4 mole. This is 92 gram. 4 mole, which is 92 gram. It is present in how many kgs of water? 1 kg of water. So simple
1
it is 4 upon 1 kg.
1 kg.
The molality as 4 small n. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now your assignment. Yes, which question
That
were you
is we
taking?
had to find.
The first one.
First one. Yes. Ahmed, you were saying something?
So we just have to find this much.
Oh, that's it.
Then why did they give the density of the lake?
Just to keep it there, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to find the molality, no? So in molality, what do you need? You need the number of moles and the kg of water. Now
Yes.
it would make sense that if they have what will happen if they would have given, for example, 1 liter. Then also nothing. 1 liter, that means how much? 1000 kg. Now, if you had something like this, 92 gram of sodium per kg of lake water, per kg of lake water, then the question would be different. Okay. But if you have 10 kg, then you have to convert this per kg of lake water. Then you have to convert this into solute and solvent, and the solvent will be water. Then you have to detach the solvent. Then you will have to calculate. Okay. But it was given what? Only water. So if only water is there, that means you have to divide just by 1.
Okay, sir.
So next one is 1. Acha, you are asking this question, no? You have been given 1.04 gram of BaCl2 in 10 to the power 5 gram solution. Okay. So here, what do you think? BaCl2 is in somewhat comparable amount with solution, or BaCl2 is in very less amount?
Less amount?
Very minute, na?
Yeah.
So if it is very minute, that means what do we use there? I mean, in
ppm.
ppm, where I have, that is why ppm.
Okay. I got confused. Like I saw this 10 raised to 5 and then I was like, what is this? How it came?
No. That is why it is ppm. I mean, when you see this 10 to the power 5, that means it is very low. And
It's
in very
minus
low, you
5 or
use
5.
it is.
So it is 10 to the power minus 5 or 5.
5.
It is
So
5.
if
I mean,
5,
what?
it will be in large amount, right? It will be 10 into 10 into 10 into
No.
10.
BaCl2 is very low, na? The amount of BaCl2, just imagine this, now it is almost 1 gram, and the solution is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, and 2 more
Okay.
zeros.
Yes, I
Got
get
it?
it. Yes, sir.
No, BaCl2 is a very minute amount. What about other questions? Did you get it?
Yes.
Sir, don't.
Okay.
I did
Now
not.
question number 5. Now question number 5. State one disadvantage in using molarity as the unit of concentration. What is the disadvantage?
It depends on volume.
It depends on volume, which further depends on temperature. It is a temperature
Yes.
dependent concentration term. Okay. Okay. Now you can explain how molarity value of a solution can be converted into molality.
So can you repeat?
The question number 3, question number 4. Explain how molarity value of a solution can be converted to molality.
If we have the density, then we can convert to molality.
Exactly. You should have density. Okay. You should have density.
Yes.
So for today's class, please remember one thing only. That is, if you have mass by mass, and you want to find the molarity, you have mass percentage And you want to find what? Molarity. You want to find what? Molarity.
Molarity.
Then from mass percentage, you will calculate two things. You can calculate easily mass of solute. Okay. For molarity, you need what? For molarity, you need two things. For molarity, you need number of moles of solute. I should not write number of moles. It should take so much of space. Moles of solute. Moles of solute. And you want volume of solution. Correct? In liters. So you have moles of solute and you have mass of solute. So between this, what is the link? The link is molar mass. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? You have mass of solute. And what else you have? Mass of solution, volume of solution, and mass of solution. You have mass of solution also. Because you have taken how much? Take 100 grams. Now, so you have mass of solution also. What is the link between the mass of solution and volume of solution? Density of solution.
Density.
Density of solution. Okay. Now, next thing, if you have mass percentage and you want to find out the molality, you have mass percentage and you want to find out the molality. In the end, you want to find molality. Molality. So for molality, what do you need? You need two things. You need number of moles of solute, and you need what else? You need mass of
solvent.
solvent. Yes, mass of solvent in
kg.
Now, if you have mass percentage, you will have mass of solute, and you want mass of solvent, so you will also have mass of solvent. Mass of solvent. Now, again, you have to take how much? Take 100 grams. Okay. 100. Now, if you take 100 grams, that particular mass percentage will be the mass percentage for solute. Again, from mass of solute to moles of solute, what do we need?
Molar mass.
Yes, molar mass. Now, mass of solute to mass of solute in kg, right? You have to just convert into kg. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These two things, just remember these two things. Okay, fine.